Exercise 387 का front. Start. Sir, a number of important developments have taken place after the close of the budget session of this Parliament. 7 weeks have passed since the government took the difficult and even painful decision to devalue the rupee. I am keenly aware that there are some misgivings in the minds of some honorable members about this decision and about the economic policies of the government in general. That is why I am now taking this opportunity to share my thoughts with you, sir, and to benefit by the counsel and criticism of honorable members on both sides of the House. I shall listen carefully to what honorable members have to say, and I hope I shall have an opportunity towards the end of the discussion to respond to the suggestions made and sentiments expressed in this august House. A supplement to the economic survey has been prepared and is being circulated to honorable members. Recent trends in the economy have been outlined in the supplement, and I do not intend to take much time of the House in going over the same ground. But I would like to recapitulate at the outset some of the salient developments in the Indian economy in recent years. Sir, when I presented the budget early this year, I had occasion to say that in many ways the year that was then drawing to a close had been a very difficult one. On the latest reckoning, agricultural production declined by nearly 15% in 2005-6. Industrial production increased by only 3% and total national income in real terms declined by about 4%. It is now surprising that in the face of such a sharp reduction in real resources, prices increased by as much as 15% in 1 year and exports declined marginally in spite of growing assistance to them. We had to tighten import restrictions further even in respect of essential raw materials and components. In the meanwhile, our repayment obligations were rising steadily so that we had to borrow $187 million from the International Monetary Fund last April. In a sense, the difficulties that we have been experiencing of late began to gather momentum towards the middle of the 10th plan period. The rate of growth of the economy in the 10th plan was a very modest one. Stop.